Welcome to the new tutorial. Let's learn how to model a ramp with Rhino and Grasshopper. We will model different kind of ramps in this tutorial. Let's start with the circular ramp. Hold Alt for copy. We will use Helix command for this one. We need to select Start and End axis. And then Radius. Let's do one more time. Delete unnecessary things. Okay, now we can simply use Loft command to make a surface. Let's give it a thickness and keep moving. The next one is arc shape ramp. We will use two methods for this. For the first method, all we need to do is holding Ctrl and Shift keys and selecting a surface edge. Then move it on the Z-axis. For the second method, we will use Flow Along Surface command. These two surfaces will be our target surfaces. Now draw a rectangle and a curve. These will be our base surface. Now let's use Flow Along Surface command. Select the curve. Press Enter. Select the base surface and the target surface. Sometimes this could be the opposite way. In this kind of situations, we need to flip the curve. Now let's do it one more time for the other surface. Delete unnecessary things. Loft. Let's give them thickness and keep moving. For this one, we will use Variable Offset Surface command. Select points to move, then press Enter. Okay, now let's try this curve shape. We will use Flow Along Curve command for this one. First, draw the base curve. Project Snap. Flow Along Curve. Pay attention to the settings. Select the base curve and the target curve. Let's give them thickness and keep moving. For the last one, we will use Grasshopper. Curve. Set one curve. Divide curve. Now, we have to move these points linearly on the Z-axis. Move. Unit Z. Graph Mapper. graph type will be linear. The outputs of this graph will be between 0 and 1, but the ramp height should be more. That's why we need to multiply the outputs. This number will be the height of the ramp. At this point, we have moved all the points to 200. Let's fix this by using range. As you can see, the input number is 100, but the output is 101. Normally, this leads to problems, but we used 101 points to divide this curve by 100, so it's okay that the output is 101 this time. Okay, let's use interpolate and create a curve from these points. At this point, we can bake the curve and continue in the Rhino. Offset the curve and use the loft command to create a surface. But we will do it on Grasshopper for this tutorial. Perp frames. Align plane. Unit Z. Rectangle. This rectangle will be the cross-section of the ramp. Loft. Cap holes. That's the result. Let's bake it. Thanks for watching.